It is Family Law Friday, and my friend, attorney John Schmidt, joins us once again, the law offices of John Schmidt. And with him is Ruth Hoeflin. And Ruth is a client of his. First of all, welcome to both of you. Welcome to the show, Ruth.
Thank you.
John, welcome once again, my man.
Good seeing you, my friend.
Okay, Family Law Friday. When people think family law, I have to admit, and this isn't good, that a lot of folks naturally think about divorce or custody. But it is more than that. Talk about your practice, John.
It is. So divorce, custody, adoptions, CPS cases, wills, deeds, personal injury, criminal defense. So we do a wide array of cases.
Okay, so Ruth, my first question is, what issue or challenge did you have, and why did you seek out Mr. Schmidt here?
I had an issue with my deed. I had someone's name on there that needed to be removed, and I needed a will. And I'm not getting any younger, so...
I think you're getting younger.
Yeah, she looks good, doesn't she?
She gets younger as we speak, right here. I think, yeah.
Hey.
So, but I think all of it, maybe there's someone out there now who says, you know, I need to do the same thing. I have to get someone off my deed. Maybe my will has changed. So talk to me a little bit about that. You knew that process was legal, and you want to do it correct.
Correct.
Right? Okay, you wanted to do it correctly. How did you hear about John?
I got lucky. I mean, seriously, I got lucky. It was kind of a, you know,
Ruth,
just picked one.
I have to tell you, there's not many people who talk about their attorney and smile and say, I got lucky. So, and no offense, John.
No,
but there, you know, there is that stereotype of attorneys. But you're very happy with John. So why is that? Tell us why. What made John different?
He's very personable. He's kind, and he took me through the process and brought up issues that I necessarily didn't think of, and I'm not. He just worked for me.
There you go.
It worked for me.
That's what I want to hear. It worked for you, and that's the bottom line. That's what you were desiring, and that's what happened. So, John, tell me a little bit about, from your perspective, your relationship with Ruth, and exactly what worked out, and maybe it can relate to someone who's watching now.
Sure. So, you know, she came in with the need, and it was kind of imminent because one of the people had some serious health issues, and we need to get that resolved in a quick and very timely way. So I try to do that. I try to really approach things in a timely way and be aggressive about timelines and get things done when a client says, this is what I'd like to do. And that's what we did. So, you know, we got it done, took it over, got everything filed, got it squared away, got everything drafted, and you know.
And I would like to say it wasn't, like he said, he got it done. It wasn't prolonged. Literally, I was in his office, and 2 days later, it was done.
A lot of times when we think about deeds and wills, Ruth, I think it's very straightforward. But it's not, is it? It could be. It can be much more complex. So, are you happy that you, not only because John and his compassion that you've said, and I agree, a very nice guy, and that's important, but also that you did it in a legal manner and that you did it the right way? For those who are do-it-yourselfers and they go, well, I can handle this, what would you say?
I would say don't take that chance and do it right, because I've heard lots of horror stories, and I'm confident in the fact that nothing's going to go wrong, and it's all in writing, and nothing's going to go wrong when I pass, and it's going to be taken care of the way I want it to be taken care of.
If that happens 50 years from now, we're all good, Ruth. It's okay. So, John, I don't have to delve into her personal deeds or her personal will, but what are some of the complexities that maybe folks aren't aware of, some things you may run into if you're making out your deed or your will, and why you need an attorney?
Well, yeah, we've a lot of cases where you get. I don't know if that's me or not, or Ruth. Sorry, I was downtown. I got caught up in that bomb scare, and
yeah, we've been. And by the way, we'll keep you updated on that here at Wave News. But yeah,
it's a real thing. Yeah. It's okay, Ruth. It's all right. So so you know, people come in and go, well, you know, I'm on this deed. I've had someone die, and you know, how do I handle this? Because they're on the deed, but they passed away. We can easily deal with that kind of thing. You know, we have cemetery private cemeteries that we've been dealing with, and people who are supposed to be taking care of it have died, and we got to get that cleaned up and get that taken care of. And there are a lot of different things you want to, people come in the office with pertaining deeds and wills. And we just do our best to get it taken care of as quickly as possible. Great relationship with the clerks over there. Great relationship with the ladies that work there and Kevin Mooney, and we're able to get it done quickly.
That's what I want to hear.
Yeah.
All right. So, Ruth, the question's coming because this is one everyone wants to hear. If you were recommending an attorney that someone had a family law issue, who would you recommend, Ruth? I'm just curious.
Absolutely, John Schmidt.
That was an absolute.
Absolutely.
See, now you should use that smile right there in your next commercial, John.
Hers?
Yeah, she's excellent.
We can do that. We can do a commercial with her.
All right. So once again, folks, you know about the basic parameters as areas of expertise. It is family law, whether it be deeds, custody battles. You mentioned wills, etc. So first steps, they call your office. How does it work? Consultation? How's it
Yeah,
work?
they call 502-509-1490, and we charge for a consultation. We charge for all of our services. And so if you're looking for an attorney and you're prepared to hire an attorney, then we're happy to do that. We do our pro bono stuff in large measure with some court-appointed stuff that we do, but people who call are paying clients. So if you do that, just call 502-509-1490, and we'll set you up with a consultation.
All right, Ruth, thank you so much. I'm glad everything worked out well for you.
Thank you.
And like I said, you got 50, 60 more years. There's no hurry. But it is, I would think, it does give you peace of mind, right? When you get your will and your deed finished, don't you feel a little weight lifted off your shoulder that you got it done correctly?
Yes, absolutely.
All right, and lift that weight off your shoulders as well. Talk to John Schmidt. Give him a call at the offices of John Schmidt. You'll see the information there. It is right there on your screen. All right, we're going to take a little break here. And then coming up, we're going to talk to the folks at